British English, Andrew here. Today we're going to start looking at various idioms that we use in the English language, and I'm going to begin our sessions looking at the weather. Often we use phrases to do with everyday weather, particularly in England, to describe things. For example, a breeze is a light wind, a kind of airy wind. Very nice actually if it's a summer's day, but there's a nice breeze. It's a good feeling. So often, if you're in a good mood, we use this to show that you're in a good mood. For example, the teacher breezed into the room looking very happy. Probably something had happened in his life that morning and he was in a good mood. So he breezed into the room. Lovely bit of English. You might be welcomed somewhere, and we always say you're given a warm welcome, just as if it's a warm summer's day with the sun shining and everybody happy out playing in the park and so on. So you receive a warm welcome, just the same as maybe if you were presenting something, the audience gave you a warm reception. They applauded and were very grateful for you being there. An opposite type of idiom would be when it rains in England. Now, we have quite a lot of rain, as you all know, and sometimes those rains are just light showers. They last for maybe 5 or 10 minutes only, but if you're out in them, you know it's been raining because you'll be wet. Now, I've taught a lot in universities and colleges and different language schools, and sometimes you have a bad group. And I can remember one group at the university, they were very aptly nicknamed the group from hell. all the professors called them that. Now they were a real shower. So we use this idiom to say that a group of people are not very good at all. They need to pull up their socks. Now, you might not be feeling so well one day, and maybe it's raining that morning, and you can use the phrase feeling a bit under the weather, meaning that you're under the influence of the weather. The weather is wet, it's raining, you're not feeling so good. You're feeling under the weather. But finally, the sun might come out, and this is a typical thing in England, particularly in the springtime. It can have been raining, but then out comes the sun and you brighten up. Because the sun will bring more light, everything is much brighter, and so you feel better as a result, and so we have the idiom that you brighten up. Nice idioms, huh?